Hello, and welcome to the Paybox Landlord Interface tutorial series. In this video, we'll be looking at the transaction management screen. First, select transactions in the landlord interface. You'll see that you can see each individual transaction created by your tenants. You'll see the Paybox number, the label, the minutes used, the amount paid, the prepaid balance if a prepaid code was used, your email address, a customer's email address if it's provided with a prepaid code, the payment type, which is credit card, coin, loony, toonie, credit card, prepaid, and I think that's it. And then your processor type. You can select how many items you would like to see per page down here, and you can cycle through multiple pages of results with using the left and right arrow keys. To refresh your results, click the little green circular arrow, and to delete transactions, simply select, click delete checked, confirm, and your transaction is deleted. Thank you.